Should you be denied insurance if you...
Come on, Daddy, what's your problem?
I don't have problem. You do.
Don't be a dick, man, come on!
Where's your Russian friend now, huh?
It's not my friend, it's
Huh?
my loan shark!
Huh?
Stop this!
Huh?
Boroba!
Who are you?
Get out of here.
What?
Yes.
Huh?
My arm!
Oh!
What about you?
Help me! Help me!
Come on, Supak.
Landor, help me!
Get out of here now! And if you come back, I'll kill you. You understand?
You forgot this? You Albanian pricks!
Stranya.
Shit, Nico. What did you do?
He was going to stab me.
Now he's going to kill you!
Fuck him.
Look at this mess. Screwed! Again! You want to know why I'm not living in a nice condo? Banging for women? It's because of shit like this! Assholes threatening
Shut
me!
up! Oh, great. Mallory.
Hey, beautiful! Yeah, great! Listen, I'm having a bit of a problem at the office. I can't do it. Nico can do it.
Huh? And what?
Well, why would you want me then? Well, screw you then! Great girl. Can you do me a favor? Mallory needs a lift. Can you go pick her up at the Hove Beach subway station?
Yeah.
Take the cab. She's got a friend with her. Maybe someone you can date.
Fuck you.
Oh, man, look at this crap. My computer and everything. Can you please move?
Or you might explode. That's another thing we haven't talked about, Ryan. We ain't talked about it. Euthanasia. Why are they all prostitutes? Why is everyone staring at me?
I'm gonna bring this back to topic. Speaking of foreign countries, we really need to step up drugs in this country.
Now, that's a good point. What do you mean by that?
Well, I'm talking about these criminals, these geezer criminals who smuggle drugs over the border so people can get them at a cheap rate and not pay a fair market price that we control. Hard medication, my ass.
Sheila, people can afford your drugs through their conventional channels, and they're forced to buy them on the black market.
Save your money. Stop buying silly things like lottery tickets, pickup trucks, or food. We have pills that can save your life, and you're whining about the cost? It makes me want to throw up.
Get in, ladies.
Hey, Nico, thanks for coming. I should have known Roman would find some excuse not to turn up. This is Michelle.
Hi, how are you? I live on Rotterdam Hill up on Mohawk Avenue. You know where that is?
Yes, I had a purse full of life-saving heart drug samples, but I did not know if this woman had insurance. I did not know...
How you finding America, Nico?
Not exactly what I expected.
Nico, you know what? You need someone to show you a good time. Michelle, how about you?
Mallory, stop it!
Come on, you guys. You're both single. You're adults. Take a number, Nico.
Hey, I'd like to see you again, Nico. You look like that kind of guy I want to get to know.
You look like you just jumped off the boat, Nico. Handsome man like you should get some new threats.
I think he looks fine the way he is.
I don't think he even changed out of those things on the journey. How you gonna impress a classy girl like Michelle?
I'm easily impressed.
I know you are, sweetie. And I just don't get it.
Mixed together, drug problem solved. No bureaucracy.
Thanks for the lift, Nico.
Yeah, thanks. Give me a call sometime.
See you soon, Michelle.
Okay, I understand what you're saying. Now, but some people say, and when I say some people, I mean our producers. Some people say, why are HMOs
Cousin,
making...
I dropped the girls off. The friend gave me her number, but I don't think Mallory likes my clothes so much.
I know just the place for you. It's on Mohawk in Hull. Go and get something a bit more 21st century.
Responsible way, yes. Responsible way we have run our business, including sensible maintaining with lots of friends on Capitol Hill. You'll see the upside. And you want to complain because we're doing so well? What's your problem? You're still alive to moan and groan about how horrible our healthcare is.
Exactly. Pharmaceutical company profits aren't the problem. They're the solution. We need that money to fly doctors to golf retreats in the Caribbean.
My
like that. All because of the money that has moved into healthcare. Do you know how much a lab monkey costs? And you end up stoning them to the tits on exciting new breakthroughs in medical science so much that they drop like flies left and right from the sheer joy.
I have good clothes, no? You see, I have good clothes. Come again, if you want, of course.
Hey, Roman, I got some clothes. It looks like they brought the stuff in from the old country, though.
We must take what we get. When the big money rolls in, then we will look real classy. Anyway, you have Michelle, a classy girl for your arm. You should definitely keep dating her.
At least apologize! Oh! You sure?
You still tough? Hey, Michelle, it's Nico, Roman's cousin.
Oh, hi. How's it going?
Good. Now, I was wondering if you, wanted to go out with me sometime. You know, on a date.
Yeah, sure. That could be fun. Yeah, I'd like to get to know you, Nico. Why don't you come over to my place whenever? See you soon.
Ladies, this is Roman Berlik.
We were lovers, but then you already knew that, yes? Welcome to this seance. Believe, it's real. Everything you know is a lie, and the things you don't know are true. Confused? Confusion is the same thing as knowledge, if you look at it backwards. This is the space-time continuum. I want you to be honest with yourself, just yourself and me. Was there ever a
Nico,
time...
Bleeder has me cornered in the courts, under the L train on Firefly.
What does he want?
Oh, I can't think what he could possibly want, or why he'd be pissed off, can you? Come on, guys, let's be reasonable.
In your stomach that something is about to go wrong, and then it does. I know what you're wondering. How does she know all these things about me? Well, the fact is, I have a gift. A gift I learned roaming the streets of Eastern Europe.
Hey, it's Nico.
Hey, I'm just finishing my hair. Come in.
Thank you.
I'll be with you in a minute.
Did you just move in?
No. Why?
All your stuff is new. Some even still have tags on.
Yeah, well, I like things clean.
I can see that. But, everything is new.
Yeah, I'm kind of obsessed with cleanliness. Things get on my nerves and I just throw them out. OCD or something?
Oh,
So, where are you taking me?
you look good.
Oh, thanks.
I don't know. I'm new here. I thought maybe we could go to the, fun fair.
Yeah, great! Let's go! Love the fun fair! Actually, we call it, carnival here. Just a little difference. Whoop-de-doo!
Calculating route.
So, Michelle, what do you like to do?
What do you like to do?
Come on, I asked you first.
I like to keep active, I guess. Sports, working out, things like that. I'd like to know about you, though. See the places you hang out.
Yeah, maybe another time.
No cord to go. No morning sickness. No going for months without sex. Choose from all creeds and colors. Just listen to a few of our satisfied customers.
It's great! If you don't like the one they send you, just throw it in the trash and they send a new one. No questions asked. I definitely use them again.
BabiesOvernight.com. Your new bundle of joy in a box overnight. Guaranteed.
The Trail of Tears. Prison camps in Cuba. Dumping tea in the ocean. It's about independence.
You know, the carnival isn't open this time of year. I don't know if it would pass safety regulations anyway. Hey, there's a bowling alley up here. We should play.
Cool. Let's go bowling, then.
Thanks for taking me out. I haven't been on a date for a while. I'm kind of lonely here.
I thought you were doing me a favor by going out with me. You're the local.
I'm not a local in Liberty City. I came here from somewhere...
Where?
Oh, the Midwest. You probably know more people here than me.
More assholes, maybe.
Here goes!
You better not be playing
Here
me.
we go! Shame we couldn't finish that game, Nico. It was fun playing, though. Can you take me back now?
I'm not going to make you take the subway. Let's go. So, you don't know many people here in Liberty City? No boyfriends or husbands or anything?
Yeah?
Liberty Tree, there's another story about salmonella.
Calculating
I don't understand
route.
why people keep dying from eating.
So what are you doing here in Liberty City, Nico?
What's anybody doing here? I don't know.
I think you do. There must be something that made you leave your home and come here.
Roman's bullshit stories, maybe. I just felt like I needed a new start.
There's nothing else about Liberty City then? Just Roman?
Maybe there is more to this place. I'm not sure yet.
Silent German baby. Or an adventurous Venezuelan baby. Or even a funny
200 yards. Turn left.
Satisfaction is guaranteed. If you're not completely happy, just wrap the baby in the plastic bag.
Please make a U-turn
And
where
drop it
safe.
off at your nearest river. BabiesOvernight.com.
Turn
Your new bundle of joy in a box overnight. Guaranteed.
Music will set you free. Especially if you can get it without
nice. I'm really interested in seeing you again.
Yeah, that would be good. I'll give you a call.
Please do, Nico. See you soon.
Increased terror threat, but... Measure police have...